Today's pick of the week is another nice little acreage on the outskirts of Enderby. At 211 Enderby Grindrod Road, this listing by Luke Tate has just under 15 acres to explore. 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with just under 2,000 square feet. Has a lot of room for families. It's been nicely updated. Some of the infrastructure has also been changed out, including the roof and furnace. The current owners have also added some nice garden beds to the exterior as well as some landscaping. This natural setting has just so much space for family and kids to run around, as well as peace and quiet. I'd suggest checking it out.